Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in boating accessories. Today, we're diving into the HUTUNOY 2PC's boat gas cap key, a must-have tool for every boat owner. If you're tired of struggling with your boat's gas cap or dealing with rust and wear on your key, this is the solution you've been waiting for. This boat gas cap key is the best choice on the market for securely opening and closing your fuel and water tank caps with ease. The key is made of high-quality 316 stainless steel, known for its durability and rust-resistant properties. Whether you're out on the water or prepping for your next trip, this key ensures long-lasting performance, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or damage from the elements. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to handle the tough conditions of the marine environment. Not only is the material top-notch, but its design is practical and easy to use. The key measures 1.7 inches by 0.87 inches, making it compact and portable, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or hang it on your keychain. It's perfect for most boats, yachts, and modern watercraft, as it's designed to work with most marine fuel filler caps, providing an effortless solution for opening and closing your deck fuel ports. The beauty of this product lies in its simplicity. It's easy to use, just replace your old or broken gas cap key and you're good to go. This set includes 2 stainless steel boat gas cap keys, so you have a backup or can share it with a fellow boater. If you've ever struggled to remove your boat's gas cap with a flimsy or worn-out key, this HUTUNOY boat gas cap key will make your life so much easier. It's a small yet essential tool that every boat owner should have in their collection, ensuring you can always access your fuel and water tanks without hassle. So, whether you're a seasoned sailor or just starting out, this boat gas cap key is a simple, practical, and durable solution that will make your boating experience smoother and stress-free. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you want to see more reviews like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest boating essentials.